Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're opening this Eeveelutions and Pokéball tin combo from Costco. Let's get into it. Alright everyone, so as you can see, we've got our Flareon Eeveelution tin and our Pokéball. Let's see what packs we've got inside. Let's start with the Flareon tin. Alright, so as you can see, we've got our Black Star Promo Flareon GX. And inside we have Sword and Shield Battle Styles, Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage, Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze, and Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. Let's start by opening Sword and Shield Battle Styles. As always, here's the code card. And I'm going to guess Fire Energy for that Flareon. Fighting Energy, not bad. Seadra, Dottler, Fan of Waves, Chimecho, Onyx, Sizzlipede, Glameow, Galarian Slowpoke, Reverse Hollow Escape Rope, and non-hollow Agislash. Not our best pulls, but still something new for us. Alright, next up, Vivid Voltage. Alright, online code. And I'm going to guess Psychic Energy. Delmiz, Rocky Helmet, Alistar, Shuppet, Choodle, Riolu, Eevee, Seedot, Reverse Hollow Delmise, and Hollow Zygarde. That's a nice one. See any swirls in it? Still some good pulls. Moving on to Darkness Ablaze. Code card was already face up with that. And Lightning Energy. Oh, there's our Psychic. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, Gothorita, Vibrava, Passimian, Dino, Electrike, Galarian Mr. Mime, that's a new one, I haven't seen that before. Rookidee, Reverse Hollow Grimer, and Melmetal non-hollow. Not bad. And last pack out of our Flareon Eeveelutions tin is Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. right on, I got that one this time. Turf Field Stadium, Carkol, Hadron, good old Magikarp with a very chubby cheeked Pikachu, Meditite, Milcery, Growlithe, and Impidimp, Reverse Hollow, Mr. Rhyme, Galarian, and non-hollow Ninetales. So now let's bust into this Pokéball and see what we get. Oh, you can see it's got a big old dent in it. Go. Alright, so try to open this without everything flying out. Alright, so we've got Rebel Clash, Sword and Shield base set, and Darkness Ablaze. And we've got our coin there. Looks like an Entei. Let's start with this Darkness Ablaze. Again, that code card is up, facing the wrong way. It seems that I always have problems with Darkness Ablaze. I'm gonna say Lightning Energy. Fighting. Corvisquire, Simipour, Simisage, Panpour, Diglett, Jigglypuff, Rowlet, Cubchoo, Reverse Hollow Toxel, and ooh, Full Art Kaboo. That's a pretty cool one. Keep that one off to the side. Alright, Sword and Shield. So these ones from the Pokéball, the packs seem a little bit bent, but let's see. There's your code card. I'm feeling Water Energy. Oh, fire. Pokemon Center Lady. Doug Trio. Salazzle, Sizzlepede, Galarian Meowth, Pikachu, Maractus, Sinistea, Reverse Hollow, Rare Candy, and Whimsicott, non-hollow. Last pack, Rebel Flash. Gotta make sure I don't cut the top of the card. There's your code card. Fighting Energy. Tool Scraper, Dan, Carkol, Trubbish, Natu, Pidove, Helioptile, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow Magikarp, and Hollow Vikavolt. Not bad. Well, we did a little bit better with these packs than we have in some of the other ones. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos yet, please do. And if you could leave a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. Until next time.